Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get custom LED lamp notifications on your BLACKVIEW A70. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and from here start search for an app. Write NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Now select this app and click install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, move to the next step, and right here you'll be needing to give the app permissions. First one is overlay permission. Click on grant and from here locate NotifyBuddy, select it, and now allow display over the other apps. If we go back, we can give it notification permission as well. Click grant, select NotifyBuddy and allow notification access, then click allow again. Now let's go back again, and here's battery optimization, which is optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. From here we'll have a ready app and we'll be able to customize it. So you can see the 4 tabs right here. There's a user, system, active and settings. In the user, you can pick any app to get this custom LED lamp notifications for. So for example, I'm gonna pick Messenger. In the system, you can get any system bound apps and also select them for this custom LED lamp notifications. In the active, you can find all the apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize your LED lamp. You can change its size, shape, placement on the screen, the time between blinking, any kind of stuff. Now in order to see how it's gonna look like, let's press on our test button and press got it. So here you can see the LED lamp notification. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.